you back with another video. Right now it's currently 7:40 in the morning. I just got home from work, but we in the garage with it today. I know y'all seen my recent video with the field lines. That's not complete. So now we on to the next thing. So I had my wastegate installed, but I took it off. It's right here. Been making TikToks with this bad boy for a minute, but it's gonna go back on the car soon.
You smoke crack, don't you? You smoke crack, don't you?
I also put two fittings on there, but I gotta adjust them to the way that I need them. But I'll get to that when I get to that. As you see, I'm installing the wastegate again with the fittings on there. So the wastegate needs a vacuum source, and I got just that right here. This is a vacuum block. So if you guys don't know what this is, again, it's a vacuum block. With that vacuum block, I'm going to be running the vacuum from right here to the block. And then from right here again to the wastegate. And then from right here again to the blow-off valve. This video is going to take several days since I don't have the vacuum lines, but I am going to be mounting this vacuum block today. Just mounting it. My homie KC had the bright idea to mount it right here. I was kind of skeptical at first because I thought there was a wiring harness under here, but I lifted it up and there ain't nothing there. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Maybe because I'm sleepy, but I gotta make shit happen. So without further ado, we installing this vacuum block. Let's go. I'm gonna be mounting this vacuum block with self-taps. Got my little snap-on ratchet. Brought it home from the job. It's another one in this garage somewhere, but I gotta find it. And then, you know, I got my little Harbor Freight sockets. Which one fit? Oh, it's you. Oh. I feel like I'm blocking the phone right now. The vacuum block is successfully mounted. I am gonna remove this clip under here. I'm probably just gonna break it and move it out the way because I don't need it anymore. This is where the line from the brake booster went, but yeah, I don't need that. It's currently Tuesday. I don't expect those fuel lines until Friday. So we're gonna pick back up on this video on Friday.